I like the lows though. That did really good. Especially like 22, 23 hertz, did really good. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
It's Kyle Chandler. I got two ZV5 15s on a SCV 6K.
Okay.
Running two Cyber 12Ks and a Super Cat bank.
Okay. Nice. What is it tuned to?
32.
32. Did you build this?
Yeah, man. Me and River Law.
Nice. So you got a brace here. Did that help?
Yeah. Even a half difference.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave that one down.
Just for info. What about your battery and your electrical?
Two Cyber 12Ks, one under the wall right here on each side.
Okay.
And a Super Cat bank. I got a Autotech 400 amp alt.
Okay. All right. All right. Tested it yet?
Yeah.
Is it hidden?
You tried to. She stacked that.
Oh, I see it. I see it right here. I can, okay. Very nice. Thank you for the demo.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Looks really good.
Just come get one from you.
Yeah, I still got a demo. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. Quick little commentary I like to do before we get to the bass demo. So the question today I wanted to know is, do you use a fuse between your amplifier and your batteries? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments about fusing between your battery and your amplifier. A lot of systems I see don't use them, and a lot of systems I see use them, like this one here. So looking forward to y'all's comments. Also, be sure to give him a thumbs up. Kyle's about to give me a great demo. He got to show us his whole system. Don't always get to see everything in every system, but we did for this one. Key thing I wanted to mention on the wall here is you can see he has a single baffle between his speaker baffle as well as his subwoofer baffle all in one, and you can see where the screws are there for actually where the cubic space stops for just the ported section of that subwoofer enclosure. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy a quick little commentary. Looking forward to those comments on if you use a fuse or not, and let's go ahead and enjoy this bass demo. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Dude, that gets low, man.
She get low. That's 22.
Really? 22 hertz?
Yep.
Wow.
2235.
Man.
It'll respond up to about 18. Having voltage issues still though.
Oh, you got short demos, the next one after? Okay. Could you give me one more in a minute?
Yeah, man. Shit, I'll run it again. We alright. You wanna go low or high?
Do something you like. Just play whatever you want to play, man. I like the lows though. That did really good. Especially like 22, 23 hertz, did really good. Very nice. Voltage is dropping like quick. Is it certain frequencies, or you just don't have enough voltage or a battery supply, or?
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I've talked with Limitless. They think I got bad sales in my cybers.
Okay.
I got 120 amp hours and 400 amp volt.
Yeah.
They say I shouldn't be dropping on 1.6K like that.
me and I get down.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.